Hello guys, welcome to this live stream. So in this live stream, I'll show you a Canva clone that I developed inside Vue.js. So I'm running it on localhost. I've also deployed this. I've given the demo link in the description of the video. You can go to this website, Vue Canva clone. You can check out the demo. So what this, it has all the features of Canva. We have also the templates. You can, with a single click, you can use any of the template. You can add text, photographs from Unsplash. You can add multiple pages, so you can work with, you can even change the background, add your own text. So it's developed inside Vue.js. I've given all the source code. You can directly purchase it. So this is the directory structure. Each component is divided into its appropriate Vue.js file here. As you can see, we are using some of the third-party dependencies such as HTML2Canvas, jsPDF, and Fabric.js, and we are using Vue.js, as you can see. So once you are inside the directory, whatever you need to do, you just npm run dev. So this will start the development server at localhost 5174. So before purchasing it, you can actually try it. I have given the demo link in the description of the video. So right here, you can even upload your own custom images as well. Simply select the image, add this to the canvas. Then you can export this. If you are happy, go to the file menu and actually export this, or you can even export this to a PDF file as well. So it's both image and PDF. Canva clone kind of an editor. So as you can see, it has started this application at localhost 5174. So it's has all the features of Canva. Before that, you can actually try it. We also integrated the support with Unsplash API. Here you can search third-party images. This is the background section. Here you can change the background from this color picker window. This is a layered based editor, so each has its own layer. So here you basically can change the font as well, so all the fonts are available to you. So all these properties, effects you can apply to images, text, everything is there, as you can see. So before purchasing it, you can actually try this, and we can even resize it to multiple Instagram, Facebook size types. So you can select, or you can provide a width and height and resize this canvas to it. So definitely try out this. Each and every functionality is there. So it's a full Vue.js project, and we have also used TypeScript here, as you can see. So if you know the thing, you can even modify the source code as well to add additional features as well. So each component is divided into multiple things. As you can see, it's a full Vue.js project. And if you are interested, I have given all the links for the demo and for the source code.